Hi friends, today we're going to see how to create a blog and to create a form using the HTML programming language using colors and frames. I hope all will you know about the overview of HTML and creating your simple blog projects and adding images, links and tables in the blog project. I have posted about the listed topics which I have mentioned above and I have attached the links in the description. If you are new to our channel, subscribe our channel for more videos. Today we are going to complete the full study about the HTML programming language. Let's get into the video. Elements. There are two types of element. One is the block level elements and the other is the inline elements. In HTML, most elements are defined as block level elements or inline elements. Block level elements start from a new line. For example, H1 tag defines the HTML headings, form tag defines the HTML form for user input, li tag defines the list item, ol tag defines the order list, and ul tag defines the unordered list, and p tag defines the paragraph, and pre tag defines the preformatted text, table tag defines the table, and div tag defines a section in a document, etc. Inline elements are normally displayed without line breaks. For example, B tag defines a bold text, A tag defines a hyperlink text, strong tag defines an important text, and IMG tag defines an image, input tag defines an input control, EM tag defines an emphasized text, and span tag, etc. Similarly, the span element is an inline element that is often used as a container for some text. When used together with CSS, the span element can be used to style parts of the text. The div element defines the block level section in a document. The span element defines an inline section in a document. Types of elements. Other elements can be used either as a block level elements or an inline elements. This include the following elements: applet, embedded Java applet, iframe, inline frame, ins, inserted text, map, image map, object, embedded object, script, script within a HTML document. You can insert inline elements inside the block elements. For example, you can have multiple span elements inside a div element. Inline elements cannot contain any block level elements. Let's see this program. In this program, as usual, HTML program starts and ends with the HTML tag. Inside that, there's a body tag, which are visual elements. Inside the body tag, there is a H1 tag. H1 tag is to print the text in bold, and there is a div tag. Inside the div tag, we use style for background color as blue and the color letter color as yellow and with 30 pixel. There is a two paragraph. First one is, if you like this channel, put a like, and the second paragraph is, if you are new to our channel, subscribe our channel. Then other h2 tag is smaller than h1 tag while printing the letters. In h2 tag we printing like and share in simple way, and we using the style as green color for subscribe and red color for Tamil Ulagam. Left side is the input and right side is the output. Form. HTML forms are used to collect information from the user. Forms are defined using the form element with its opening and closing tag. Use the action attribute to point to web page that will load after the user submits a form. Usually the form is submitted to a web page on the web server. The method and name attributes. The method attribute specifies the HTTP method, get or post, to be used when the form are submitted. When use the get, the form data will be visible in the page address. If we use post, the form is updating data or includes sensitive informations like passwords. Post offers better security because the submitted data is not visible in the page address. To take the user input, you need to corresponding form elements. To take the user input, you must need the corresponding elements such as The text fields. The input element has many variation depending on the type of attribute. It can be text, password, URL, radio, submit, etc. The name attribute specifies the name of the form. Form elements. If we change the input type to radio, it allows the user to select only one of the number of choices. The type checkbox allows the user to select more than one option. The input tag has no end tag. The submit button submits the form to its action attribute. After the form is submitted, the data should be processed on the server using the programming language such as PHP. Let's see this program. In this program, as usual, HTML program starts and ends with the HTML tag followed by the head tag, which are non-visual elements, followed by the body tag, which are visual elements. Inside that, we use the table and table tag, tr tag, td tag for printing name and printing the input as text. See this, we use radio for the destination. For destination, we can able to choose only any one, either studying or working. And other, for our skills, we use checkbox. In that, we can choose either one or two or three. More than one choices we can choose. In this, the left side is the input and the right side is the output. And at last, there is an submit button to submit this. HTML colors. Colors are expressed as hexadecimal values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B, C, D, E, F. As you can see, there are 16 values 0 to F. 0 represents the lowest value and the F represents the highest value. Colors are displayed in the combination of red, green and blue light. Hex values are written using the hashtag symbol followed by either 3 or 6 hex characters. All the possible red, green and blue combination are potentially number over 16 million. There are only few of them. We can mix the colors to form the additional colors. Let's see the last color, orange and red mix. Hexadecimal colors values are supported. Hexadecimal color values are supported in all browsers. Background and front colors. The background color attribute can be used to change the web page background color. This example would be produced dark blue background with white headline. The color attribute specifies the color of the text inside the front element. Frame tag. A page can be divided into frames using the special frame document. The frame tag defines one specific window frame with the frame set tag. Each frame in a frame set can have a different attributes such as border, scrolling, ability to resize, etc. The frame set element specifies the number of columns or rows in the frame set, as well as what the percentage or number of pixels of spaces each of them occupies. The frame set tag is not supported in HTML5. Working with frames, use the not size attribute to specify the user cannot resize the frame element. Frame content should be defined using the src attribute. Lastly, the no frames element provide a way for browsers that do not support frames to view the page. The element can contain an alternative page complete with the body tag and any other elements. The frame tag is not supported in HTML5. I hope all you will understand this program. Thank you for watching.